To make an origami fortune teller, you need a paper square. How to make a paper square? Put the short side onto the long side. Now you can cut, and the two sides are the same. Open it. 4 sides are the same. Fold the diagonals and find the center. Fold every corner over to the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Corner, center, corner, center. Turn it over and do the same. Corner, center. Number 2, corner, center. And so on. Now, find the flaps. Flap number 1, flap number 2, flap number 3, flap number 4. Fold it like this. And put your fingers inside the flaps. Thumb and finger. Right hand, left hand. You move it like this and you can play. You can decorate your origami like a fortune teller,
or you can use it to learn English words.
Food, colors, numbers, verb to be. You say number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and you choose 2. To say 2 is you and you check. To say you are, to you.
This is an origami pop-up translator.
Have fun!